Just off to the boat again, guys. Hope you're all well. I'll just show a short video of a very large pig farm to your left there, if you can see it. It's a huge pig farm, really, really big. Farmers' dwellings here on the left. Anyway, it's quite a trip to the boat, so I won't take you on a boring journey. I'll show you a little bit of the countryside. I'll bring you back when I get to the boat, so see you shortly. Oh, I just arrived at the boat. Oh look, it's coming on really well. Blue stripe along the side there. I think not the helm, it's what's it called, where you sit when you steer it. That's all been put in apparently. I just spoke to Eric. Ryan's off today, that's working on the boat. So I don't think anyone's working on it at the moment. We'll try and get on in a minute and we'll have a look inside what they've done in there. Yeah, it looks like it's coming on really well. Let's have a walk round the other side. We'll go round the other side, have a look round there, and then I'll turn you off once I get on the boat. And I'll bring it back in. Coming on really well. I know you've seen this all before, but it just takes time to paint a boat, especially this size. So we'll get the ladders and I'll turn you off and bring you back with me when I get on the boat. I think the bow thrust has been put in there. Let's have a look down here. Oh, there it is. There we go. That's that's been put in. That makes it easier to moor up. Let's just have a quick look round the other side. There you go. See underneath of it. Looks pretty good. Under here, we're going to have it red. It's right underneath the water line here. I think we're having it red. That's our prop there. Makes the boat go. Well, I'm going to turn you off now and get on the boat and we'll have a look inside. See you in a minute. Oh, I've just got on the back of the boat. That's the back of it. Looking nice. Let's step down. It's going to be a bit dark, sorry. There's a light in here. So I'll have a walk through. It's all about the mess. But, creaky. Oh, hello, dusty bin. Oh, no. I haven't put it in yet. I've ripped it all out by the looks of it. Yeah, ripped it all out. That's coming on anyway. Like I said, it does take time. But that's going to be, I think I picked a bluey colour for the steer, not the steering, the, what do they call it? All the instruments where it gives you the, you know, oh God, I can't think, sorry. There's all our batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 there, or not 8 or 9. But yeah, still a little way to go. So if you've enjoyed this little content, sorry it's short again, but you know, there's not really a lot to see. Oh, it looks like I've taken our roof out. I'm not sure, well, they would have painted that, wouldn't they? Of course they would have done. Yeah. So yeah, if you like this content, please give it a like, please subscribe. Doesn't cost anything, and does help the channel. Please share. Also comment. And I'll see you next time. Hopefully they've put the new, I'm going to call it a helm because I'm not sure what it is actually called, but there you go. Yeah, so thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Thought I'd just pull over and show the farmer doing, I think he's ploughing all the birds, look. All gulls. Picking up all the worms out the ground. There you go. Just the short content of the farmer ploughing. Thought I'd just pop off and show you Great Yarmouth.